For today's video, we're gonna learn about addition of dissimilar fractions. As a review, dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominator. I only use one method to add dissimilar fractions. It's a step-by-step method. First, you have to multiply the denominators. 4 times 2 is 8. Then cross multiply numerator to denominator and numerator to denominator. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 times 4 is 4. So total is 6 over 8. Then we have to reduce it to lowest term. So both of them are divisible by 2. So the answer should be 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is the final answer. Another example, let's have 1/3 plus 2/5. So first, we have to multiply the denominators. 3 times 5 is 15. Then cross multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Total is 11 over 15. So this is the final answer. Next is 3 over 7 plus 1/2. So first we have to multiply the denominator. 7 times 2 is 14. Then cross multiply. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 7 times 1 is 7. Total is 13 over 14. Let's have another example. Let's try multiplying mixed numbers. So 1 over 7. Adding mixed numbers. 2 and 2/5. So let's have this example. Okay. So how are you gonna add mixed numbers? So first, you have to add similar terms, so which is the whole numbers 1 and 2. So if you add them, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then create a bracket area where you can put the remaining fraction terms, this and this. So 1 over 7 plus 2 over 5. Then this portion, you can add it using our method. So 3 so 7 times 5 is 35, right? Then cross multiply. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 7 times 2 is 14. So you'll get 3. 5 times 40, 5 plus 14 is 19 all over 35. Okay, so that's the final answer because 19 is a prime number, not divisible to any number. Next, let's have another example. 7 over 3 plus 5 over 4. Let's do it quick. 12, 28 plus 15. You'll get 43 over 12.